Tobacco Free Educational Institutions haiba team asida nomagi oiba awareness ama Oinam Government Higher Secondary School da pangthukrai. Star Health Mission amadi NHM NTCP gi sponsor makada Bisnupur District Tobacco Control Cell gi CMO amasong Sangai Youth Tobacco Free and Educational Organization sinduna pangthukhiba thawramaduda sarugyakiba singna hidak mana sizinadana wasak lawminaki. Thawramaduda Oinam Government Higher Secondary School gi Principal Lystrom Bizagupta Sitfiogi Managing Director amasong Senior Advisor Dr. B. Bimola Kumari Padmasri, District Nodal Officer NTCP, DSS Bisnupur, Dr. Haubam Dani, Sitfiogi Co-Founder amasong President Premjit Thokchomna Chingba Maruiba Myoy Kyasu Saruyaki, Resource Person Wina Saruyaki be Dr. Bimola Kumari Nahai, Manipura Hidak Managi Polam Singh Siznabagi Changasi Wankalakle. Hidak mana su thadaba starama oiriba Manipurna hidak mana sizinabagi chang ase India gi state singi manungda ahum subada laiba haibasi laiba khwaidagi thibane tobacco sizinabana aikoida makal makha kaya gi laina thohan bana yariba makai sizinaroi dabani haiki